Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake and pull on the bonnet release latch. Open the bonnet. You will then be able to easily access the airbox and change the filter. Pull out the holding tab on the flange. Using a socket screwdriver and a 20mm Torx socket, completely unscrew the 3 screws on the air filter flange. Don't try to take them out. They stay in their housing even if they're not fixed in. Lift off the flange. To take it off, incline it slightly and pull towards you. Take out the old air filter. It is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment. Put the new filter in place. Make sure you put it in the right way up. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed on the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Then push it in so that it presses against the filter compartment. Tighten up the 3 screws. Reinsert the holding tab on the flange. Operation completed.